I'm really enjoying my very first Camino, and thank you for coming on the journey with me. Haha, I love clear signage. So it's 4:30 and I'm going to continue my journey from Redondela because we have so much daylight. As mentioned yesterday in Vigo, the sun didn't even go down until 10:30. And so since it's only 4:30, I'm going to press on and make it to Arcade, and we'll see what happens there. If I find a hostel, great. If all the hostels are full, well, then I'll just get myself a B&B, a bed and breakfast, or a hotel, or whatever we can find. In the end, I think it's a blessing that I did not find a hostel in Redondela because it's way too early in the day to stop. Alright, so here are some of the old-fashioned granaries. So luckily at this corner the signage is really good. Alright, on our way to Arcade. We'll be there in 2 hours, which will be around about 6:30. Let's press on. Waiting to cross the road. Oh look, it's green. Alright, so this part of the path headed towards Arcade. It's pretty pastoral. We got grapevines and farming happening. Lots of bird song. Lots of oak trees. It's really pretty. We got eucalyptus grove, and up ahead looks like some other hikers have decided to press on. I'm really glad that I'm actually continuing forth because it's too early in the day. We're on quite an incline. Even the bicyclists have gotten off their bikes to walk the hilly part here. Luckily there's a breeze happening, so it's all good. Alright, so this is another water fountain. These guys are getting a nice drink, cooling off as we go up the hill. But so far, so good. Alright, my turn to get some water. Fresh, spring, first of the day. This is an absolutely perfect place to stop and just take a breather and take in this first day of the pilgrimage, the walk. So far, it's 5:29. Started the walk at about 10:15 out of Vigo. Got to Redondela at around 3 or so, had some lunch there, and luckily did not find a hostel because it was way too early to stop. And so now I'm making my way to Arcade. But we have done how many miles? Let's have a quick look. So far we've done 11 miles 38. That translates to 28,755 steps. So yeah, we're doing really good, and like I mentioned before, should be arriving in Arcadia in 52 minutes. So I've got perfectly enough time. We've still got enough sunlight. It's not going to get dark until about 10 or so. Ooh, that breeze just feels so good. The water is actually really good. Alright, so I'm going to charge up my phone a little bit so that I have more battery and juice to do some more footage and be able to use maps and such. So while that's happening, I'm going to do a little bit of stretching. That feels good. You gotta take breaks. Part of the journey is about enjoying the journey. I think that's what I'm really learning as I'm getting older and as I've come into retirement. It's definitely one of the main lessons is just slow down. Don't take things quite so seriously. Everything always works out. We are always divinely provided for, divinely guided, and divinely protected. And I've definitely been provided for and guided and helped by many wonderful pilgrims already on this first day with directions, just friendly hellos, friendly buen caminos. Lots of people are walking in groups. I think I've maybe only seen 3 other people who are doing this thing solo. Ah, that stretch feels good. All right, so we had a nice water break. So yeah, it's a really mellow part of the day. A lot of the hikers stopped in Redondela, and now it's mostly me and the bicyclists. But look at where I am. Really, really nice. I'm really enjoying my very first Camino, and thank you for coming on the journey with me. There really is no medicine like nature's medicine. Beauty, colors, sound, scents. Really doesn't get any better than that. Got a grove of eucalyptus tree behind me. Sun, breeze. Alright, so on this stretch of the trail, we've got lots and lots of markers. So there really is no getting lost. So I'm going to place my first rock at this marker. The wall of mementos, messages of love, hope, faith, friendships. We got hats, flags from all over the world, people past and present. It's really pretty fantastic. So far, this has been about the most peaceful part of the journey. It's like approaching 6 o'clock, early evening. Not too many people on the trail. The people that I have met are super chill. Looks like we are going to go up some. Ooh, looks like we have water, the bay, to my left again. Wow, Silvery Bay. I think for sure this is the most incline that we've walked today. Get those legs working. Nice. Appreciate the cool weather for the climb. All right, so without doubt, that was the steepest incline as we saw on the signs. But yeah, I'm at the top of it, so doing just fine. And then you've got a beautiful vista point of the bay. And so like I said, got a destination, but you gotta stop and take in all of the beauties and the view. It's all about the journey. It really is. Take your time. Enjoy the ride. Every single juicy, delicious, beautiful step of it. I am so in love with this hike. Another little vista point. Yeah, I think this is my favorite part of the hike so far. Wow, this leg of the journey really feels like coming home. Eucalyptus. Buen camino. We have arrived in our cave, and it's around 7 p.m. Perfect. Woohoo! So glad you came along.